Here's a walkthrough of the Gold Country open house that recently occurred. I'll also be showing you what I got towards the end of the video. I was pretty happy with a wide variety of plants he had for sale right as you enter the greenhouse. A lot of these plants are both for expert growers as well as novices. Gold Country Orchids is known for growing a lot of nice cattleyas and cattleya types of plants. So those were well represented in this mix. There was also some novelty phales, as well as some the blue phales, and just a wide variety of plants here. Again, there's a lot of plants for novices. Here you see some sherry babies as well.
That's when
a lot of oncidium type of plants.
Because they don't last long.
Okay. Cool.
And again, more cattleyas, cattleyas again. I was surprised to see how many oncidium twinkles that were being sold. They were there, but a lot of people were buying them. So I don't think they were in the video as much. Not more oncidium types. So in general, there's a lot of plants here, wide variety, pretty much something for everybody here.
Humidity obviously be a little higher in the wintertime, but roughly what, 50-60%.
Those could have been oncidium twinkles there. Wasn't quite sure. A lot of dendrobiums too.
So something like that.
And around the corner is where all the other vendors were set up.
You could possibly.
Here's you can see Dennis Olivas that's sitting there. Maui Orchid Whisperer was there. At least his plants were there. The proprietor wasn't there, so he brought a fine selection of plants. Again, cattleyas, cattleya types. Again, some phales. Just a good mix of plants. In the background, you can see the extent of the first greenhouse from Gold Country Orchids. Those are all the plants that Alan has growing. And here is D&D Orchids. They had a lot of cymbidiums, which you can see. Again, some ontoglossums, I think, as well as also some cattleyas, dendrobiums. Again, just a wide variety of plants in bloom and not. So here I paused just to look at those vanillas that are there. They did catch my eye. It was a different species I wasn't familiar with, so that did catch my fancy a little bit. There are some Chinese cymbidiums as well. And now we're approaching In Situ Orchids selection of plants. He is known for growing some pretty nice species plants. And he is seeding a lot of them and making smaller plants for sale. And that's what you're seeing. There are some divisions in there. He's also getting into some non-orchids. You can see a couple of those plants that just passed by, but mainly orchids and a wide variety of species. Now the fun part about going to Gold Country is looking at their back part of their greenhouse, which Alan lets you walk through to try to find something that catches your eye. It's just packed with a wide variety of plants from pretty much every genre you can think of. Both species and hybrids, and you just have to look through it a little bit to see. They're all growing well. Everything's well manicured. There's no disease or anything like that anywhere that I could see. And everything looked very, very happy, very green, very lush. As we get closer to the wet wall, you can see some plants that like it a little bit cooler. Some paphs. More, I don't even know what those are. The cool growing dendrobiums that you're seeing right there, Paph henryanums, as well as here's where the really cool stuff that he puts there grows. You can see Sophronitis coccinei, which was right there. Nice little plant. Pretty happy with it. And then going back on the other side, just a wide variety of plants that he has for sale. And now we're going to approach what I actually bought. You saw a little snippet of that. That one plant is the one I decided not to get. And these are the two that he did not have for sale. This is Phalaenopsis dowriensis, a plant that I've been looking for a long time, and it took me a while to convince him to sell it to me. It's a pretty simple looking flower. Here it is. Nothing that exciting, but it's a very rare plant to acquire. So I'm happy to have that now added to my collection. And this is the plant that I did buy. Not as big as the ones that were shown, but still I'm pretty happy with it. And it is in spike, and it is developing flowers as we speak. Well, thanks again for watching. Until the next time. Thanks. Bye.